Hello everyone, I am Dhawal Rajapati, a math teacher. Today we will continue class 9 exercise number 4.3 question number 6. In this question, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. So dear friend, we can see that in this question we have three parts. Okay. First part is we need to express in the form of our linear equation. Okay. We need to express this condition by our linear equation. Second part is draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force. Okay. So second one is we need to draw a graph by using our linear equation. And third part is we need to read from the graph of the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. Okay. So in this question we have two variables, work done, okay, work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional, okay, directly proportional to the distance traveled. So this is second variable, and here our constant is 5 unit. Okay, so we can write solution. First one is distance traveled. Distance traveled, suppose x kilometer. Okay. Now work done. So total work done is y. Here the force is directly proportional to the distance traveled. Okay. That means this work done y is directly proportional. Okay. This is a sign of directly proportional to the distance travel. That means x. Now if we want to our equation, we can write y equal to, okay, this is a proportionality constant and constant is 5 unit. So we can write 5x. So this is our linear equations. Now let us represent this into our graph. Now we know that if we want to express this equation on our graph, we need minimum two coordinates. Okay. So let us see when our x is equal to 0. Okay. When x is equal to 0, at that time y equal to 5x. Okay. So 5 into 0, that's why 0. So this is the first coordinate. Okay. X and y. When x is equal to 0, at that time y equal to 0. Now if x is equal to 1, at that time y equal to 5 into 1. That's why y equal to 5. This is our second coordinate. When x is equal to 1, at that time y equal to 5. So now we have two coordinates 0 0 and 1 5. So let us see on our graph paper. Here we can see that when x is equal to 0, at that time y is equal to 0. That means our first coordinate is on our origin. Okay. When x is equal to 0, at that time y is equal to 0. Now second coordinate is when x is equal to 1. Okay. So where is the 1? Yes, 1 is at here. At that time y is equal to 5. So when x is equal to 1, at that time y is equal to on 5. So this is our second coordinate. Now we can see that on x-axis, okay, x-axis, x-axis is our distance travel. Okay, because we take here distance travel is x and work done is y. This is our work done. So now question is, when distance travel is 2 unit, okay, when distance travel is 2 unit, at that time we need to find out how much work done. Okay, so distance travel is 2 unit, 2 at here. So first we need to draw a line like this. And we can write our linear equation y equal to 5x. Now when distance travel is 2 unit, okay, when distance travel is 2 unit, at that time we need to find out how much okay. So we can see that approximately 10 unit, okay, when distance travel is 2 unit, at that time work done is 10 unit. Similarly, when, so we can write when x is equal to 2 unit, at that time y equal to 10 unit, okay. And another one is when x is equal to 0, okay, distance travel is 0, so we already find out at that time y equal to 0. So this is the solution of our question number 6. Now we need to write down a scale map, okay. So for write down scale map, you can write x-axis is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means this, okay. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 unit. Similarly, y-axis means this one, okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We can write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So this is a complete map of our question number 6.